Welcome to our comprehensive guide on ECU programming tools for the VW MED17.5 ECU. We're excited to share detailed insights into the various methods and tools available for programming this critical component of your vehicle. Foxflash ECU Programmer. Foxflash ECU Programmer. Bench Mode. Connect the Foxflash Bench Box to the MED17.5 ECU using appropriate connectors. Access the software and locate the documentation folder for pinout diagrams and instructions. Select the appropriate drivers for BOSCH MED17.5, 1766, and TC1766 VAG for reading and writing operations. Boot mode. Connect the multifunction cable to the ECU following the provided pinout. Utilize boot mode drivers to initiate the programming process. If required, disable the boot mode by unsoldering the specified wire and follow the password search process using the provided drivers. PCM Tuner ECU Programmer. Bench Mode. Access Module 71 within the PCM Tuner software. Follow the provided pinout diagrams and instructions for connection. Execute read and write operations while paying attention to operation difficulty, checksum, and backup procedures. Alientech KES V3. OBD, bench, and boot modes. Connect KES V3 to the MED17.5 ECU using the preferred method, OBD, bench, or boot. Navigate through the Alientech suite software to identify the ECU and select appropriate options for reading, writing, and backup operations. OBSTAR DC706 ECU Tool. Bench Mode. Connect OBSTAR DC706 to the MED17.5 ECU using the provided OBSTAR P003 KIT. Follow the step-by-step instructions within the software for reading, writing, and programming. Launch X431 IMMO Plus/Elite with Xprog 3. On bench method. Access the menu on X431 IMMO Plus/Elite for the MED17.5 ECU. Follow the on-screen prompts to view wiring diagrams, read chip ID, and perform backup and restoration operations. X431 ECU and TCU Programmer/X431 PC adapter with GII. Bench method. Connect X431 ECU and TCU Programmer/X431 PC adapter with GII to the MED17.5 ECU. Utilize Xprog 3 Key Programmer for reading, writing, and programming as guided by the software. Ensure to follow each step meticulously to avoid errors and ensure successful programming of the VW MED17.5 ECU. Your patience and attention to detail are key to achieving optimal results. Happy programming! If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like our content and subscribe to our channel for more informative automotive tutorials and tips. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you valuable insights in the future.